Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English lesson. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Dived. We are so happy to see you here. Thank you for learning English with us.
Today's lesson is very, very important. We are learning the simple present tense.
Yes, the simple present tense is the base of English. It's the key for talking about your daily life.
For example, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to school.
Or, she drinks tea, he plays football, they watch TV.
See? We use simple sentences, and after this video, you can make these sentences easily too.
So, stay with us until the end. We will explain, show examples, have a conversation, and give you practice time.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Okay, friends, let's understand first. What is the simple present tense?
The simple present tense is used for 1. Daily routines, things we do every day. Example, I brush my teeth, she cooks dinner. 2. General facts or truths, things that are always true. Example, the sun rises in the east, water is wet. 3. Schedules or timetables, fixed times. Example, the train leaves at 9, school starts at 8.
Now let's see how we use it with different people.
Important. Listen carefully.
But if the Y comes after a vowel, just add S. Example, he plays football, she enjoys music.
Let's practice a little. Repeat after me. I work, he works, I read, she reads, I study, he studies.
Very good.
Sarah, let's talk about our daily routine.
Sure, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower, and then I eat breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and eggs. I drink tea. What about you, Divd?
I wake up early at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth, I drink water, and I make coffee.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes I eat breakfast, sometimes I don't. Do you eat breakfast?
Dived, breakfast is important.
Yes, my mom always says, Dived, eat your breakfast.
Smart mom. After breakfast, I go to work. I teach English.
Me too. After work, I go home. I eat dinner, I watch TV, and I sleep.
Friends, did you notice? We both used simple sentences. I wake up, I eat, I go. That's the simple present tense.
Now let's use he and she.
Dived, tell me about your brother.
My brother's a doctor. He works in a hospital. He wakes up at 5 a.m. He eats breakfast quickly. Then he goes to work.
Wow, busy life. My sister is a student. She studies every day. She wakes up at 8. She eats cereal. She goes to university.
Friends, listen carefully. We say, he works, he eats, he goes. She studies, she wakes up, she goes. See? With he and she, we add s or es.
Dived, do you cook dinner?
No, I don't cook. I eat pizza.
Oh no, pizza every day?
Yes, pizza's my best friend.
Friends, did you hear? Dived said, I eat pizza. Very simple.
And Sarah said, do you cook dinner? That is also in simple present tense.
Okay, friends, let's learn questions and negatives.
We use do or does. For I, you, we, they use do. Example, do you like tea? Do they play football? For he, she, it use does. Example, does he work here? Does she study English?
For negatives, I, you, we, they use do not, don't. Example, I don't eat meat. They don't go to school on Sunday. He, she, it use does not, doesn't. Example, he doesn't like coffee. She doesn't watch TV.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Does he like pizza? No, he doesn't like pizza. Do they play football? Yes, they play football.
Good job.
Sarah, let's make a longer conversation for practice.
Okay, I'll start. Dived, what do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I read books. I watch TV. I talk to my family.
Nice. I cook dinner, I eat with my family, I wash the dishes, then I watch a little TV.
What time do you sleep?
I usually sleep at 11. What about you?
I sleep at 10.
Early sleeper?
Yes. And friends, you can practice too. Just think about your own evening routine. Say, I cook, I eat, I wash, I watch, I sleep.
Now it's your turn. We will say some sentences. Please repeat after us. Ready?
I wake up at 7.
She wakes up at 7.
I eat breakfast.
He eats breakfast and
I go to school.
she goes to school.
I study English.
He studies English.
I play football.
She plays tennis.
Excellent.
Let's review quickly. 1. Use simple present tense for daily habits, facts, and schedules. 2. With I/you/we/they, base verb. Example, I eat, we play. 3. With he, she, it, add s or s. Example, he eats, she plays. 4. For questions, use do, does. Example, do you like tea? Does he like coffee? 5. For negatives, use don't, doesn't. Example, I don't eat meat, she doesn't drink milk.
And remember, practice with your own daily routine. Say your morning routine, your evening routine, your weekend routine.
The more you speak, the better your English becomes.
Okay, friends, that's the end of today's lesson. You did a great job.
Yes. Now you can use the simple present tense to talk about your daily routine.
Practice every day. English becomes easy when you use it daily.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And share it with your friends so they can learn too.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, friends.